Why you always in a mood? Fucking around out your brain, no. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by the rules. Everything look better with the view. Oh my god, why is shawty tryna test me? To turn up in the back of the jet stream. Can be careful, she trying to arrest me. Lying to impress me, dying to forget me. I can keep singing all of my songs for ya. You keep boring and it goes on and on. Can't seem to figure out what's wrong with ya. Checking your temperature thermometer. Seems like lately your call go crazy. Why you always in a mood? Fucking around out your brain, no. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by the rules. Everything look better with the view. Why you always in a mood? Fucking around out your brain, no. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by the rules. Everything look better with the view. Coco no Chanel, super pretty, chilling body, she just she can tell. Make it feel like I'm from heaven, but I still put up through hell. What's up, bad? What I was bad, I'm always a rock, the way they rock. Realize they ain't mean me well. Told her to call my phone with all that nice shit. Double C's on the back, go to the acid. Getting to me right now is highly likely, cause I still remember the days when people like you don't like me. Seems like lately your call go crazy. Why you always in a mood? Fucking around out your brain, no. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by the rules. Everything look better with the view. Why you always in a mood? Fucking around out your brain, no. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by the rules. Everything look better with the view.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness.